Hello everyone, I am Zileng, the owner of the FreshTalk. Today on this video, we are going to watch how I shoot and edit for my YouTube videos. So, stay relaxed and watch the video till the end.
Yeah!
Most of my friends ask me, which equipment do I use for shooting the camera? So, I only use this cell phone. This is Redmi 6. I usually use front camera. To support my camera, I use this selfie stick for having vlog. Voice clarity is much important, very much important for vloggers. So I use this microphone. Cost only 450, and you can get this selfie stick from railway station too. This is the main equipment that I use for my YouTube videos.
Yeah!
When we talk about the cameraman, some of my viewers ask me that who is my cameraman and who did that. So none of my friends is the cameraman. You, the viewers also, maybe my cameraman one day. Everyone will be my cameraman. So get ready. Whenever you're with me, you may be a cameraman one day. I may appointed you to be cameraman. So learn how to shoot camera. Use my mobile like this. See, here is the selfie stick and hold here. There is the microphone, and I leave it here sometime like this, and we can directly record the voice. The apps which I use for shooting the video is Open Camera. I use Open Camera for recording the videos. Hi everyone. So I open the Open Camera, and there is the symbols that I recorded my video by. Hello Open everyone. Camera. I'm Zileng, the host of this channel. Today on this episode we are going to watch how well I'm on the way to street, and if I were happen to ask any question. Hi, can you please kindly tell us your name? Okay. I even shoot my YouTube video when in the crowd also, while walking through the road. But to have vlog in the crowd, it's not an easy thing, just as if they are police, notice. Right now I'm recording the video without microphone, so the voice clarity may not be perfect enough. Firstly, go to KineMaster apps, and secondly, open the KineMaster apps and click on the plus icon. Empty project and select the video. Make more effective, go to layer and click on the media. Make a bit bigger. Click on the right button and adjust the color. You can make it brighter, and here you can make it finer. Okay, just try to adjust in sequence. And go to the audio browser just to add the audio. Okay, voice and videos was totally different, so we should adjust. It should be in the same. We learn the difference between mic and direct video recorder. Hello everyone, I am Zileng, the owner of the FreshTalk. Today on this video, we are going to watch how I shoot and edit. Add the music to the video. and reduce the volume. So let us put this logo, adjust it in the proper way and fix it. Learn how to add the text. Adjust the size. So now we will learn how to save the video. We finish editing and click on the, it says there vibrate. You can adjust it to keep more better quality. When you click on the second one, as one it will be able to exporting it. Project is in process, already exported, and see how the video.
Hello everyone, I am Zileng, the owner of the FreshTalk. Today on this video, we are going to watch how I shoot and edit for my YouTube videos. So, stay relaxed and watch the video till the end. Okay, thank you so much for watching our videos. I hope you learn something new through this video. So, as you know, like is compulsory, so give like.